Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking, I don't know what we call this, review video of our C6 Grand Sport / Z06 OEM wide body conversion. We actually pulled this off of a flooded Grand Sport anniversary car, or Heritage Edition if you'll notice these stripes here. But this is a complete OEM conversion, including both fenders, the inner fenders, brake ducts. This is a new GM lip here that we had to order. The forklift damaged ours, and there's going to be a little bit of damage on the bottom of this bumper that will prop up and let you guys see here in a minute. But to the best of our knowledge, this should be everything you need to do an OEM conversion on your C6 front end. The inner fenders were removed by our technicians with great level of skill and care. There's absolutely no cracks on them. If you guys notice, there's still a little bit of the glue residue there, so you're gonna have to remove that on your own to reattach it to your car. But we wanted to leave that there so we could bring you the best product possible. So here we have the OEM front bumper in torch red. Very good condition all the way around. We're gonna lift it up here in just a second and show you where a couple of the tabs need to be repaired. Let's take a look at the backside though. Very nice condition, all OEM. And then if we'll flip it up here, you guys can see these are the tabs for the valence. We do have one of these pieces that you can repair it with, but these slide rivets or slide clips, I'm mind farting here. They will replace and go right in there to attach the lip. We're going to include all of the hardware. We just wanted to take it off for safety's sake. There is the replacement lip ordered from the GM dealer. That is a complete OEM part, not a replica. Thank you, Vanna. And the nice front bumper foam. These are the fenders here in torch red with the commemorative stripes on them. Looking for any damage on them. Nice OE Grand Sport emblems on them. Any damage. And then we have 3 of the fender liners. One of them unfortunately did not make it through the removal process. I believe we forgot a fastener and may have cracked it. But all good tabs on these. All OE GM fiberglass. And then here we have all of the associated ductwork in the inner fenders that we photoed earlier. Like I said, we were missing one piece of a fender liner there. Just didn't make it through the wreck. You can source that from your local GM dealer. I believe it's about $111. Well, that is gonna wrap up our first ever product video of the J&J OEM C6 wide body kit. Like we said, this was what we believe to be everything you need to put an OEM wide body on the front of your car. A little bit of fabrication skills are going to be required for those inner fenders, but having those pieces should eliminate that 1-inch lip that a lot of people use like gutter guard to fill on their C6. So if you're looking for an OE kit at a good price from a reputable seller, we got you covered. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about this, guys. If it's something you would like us to see sell a couple more of, we can look for these cars and maybe start selling some of these if it's a hit. Other than that, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.